Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. This is called B1 and this is wireless earbuds done by a company called Truefree. Again, this is a really nice budget but very effective and doesn't have noise leakage, and it's running on Bluetooth 5.4. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this user manual, which is really cool the way that they have designed it. I like the model number sitting on the top, also the company. Also, it tells you this is a user guide. So once you go inside of it, it will tell you how you can find the app. Also, what's involved in this unit itself, how you can function things. And now going next, it will be how you're able to put it for charge. And then more information inside for battery and more, which is really cool. But there are a lot of info that is involved in this. And they didn't make a little booklet, so it looks like a little brochure that they put together. But this is the user manual. Now there is another little paper, and that will tell you exactly where you can find the Truefree app for your phone. This way it will give you more functions. And then when you go to the back, it also talks about the official app and also registration and how this is going to help you out. Now for the charging part, there is a little cable, but it's sitting inside of this little plastic. You do have to rip it in order to open it. So I will process, and there you go. And once you take it out, this is how small it is. USB type A to USB type C, so that way you can charge your docking station a lot faster, which will be very good. Now there is a QR code, so you can get 18 months of warranty when you purchase this, but make sure that this is part of it. They may ask you, and when you go to it, it's inside of a little plastic, which again, it is rip and take it out. And this is how the docking station really looks. I really like that design. There's a nice cut to it, as you can see. And then once you go to it, it looks really nice on how everything has been designed. Going around, you can see the USB Type-C connection in the back. But once you open the top, as you can see, there is right and left. And I really like that they have colored it now, so it makes it easier for you to know which side is which. And then there is some information written inside of it, and you can take the earbuds out and the parts that will sit so you can get it charged. And then once you go to each of these, there are touch sensitive, so you can tap it, and you do have to take the plastic off. And this way the charging port will be visible so you can charge it. And then this other part will be outside of your ear, so it's kind of going around it. We will show you with these on how you're going to be able to wear these, but there are a lot of little functions in this that you can check. So there is the speakers that are right over here, and then going around it, you do see the charging part. There is the mic, which is right above it, and then everything else is really nice and shiny. I really like how this has been designed. Now, same thing goes for the other side. As you can see, there's a little plastic that covers the charging port and more, and also the touchpad part. We're going to test this in a couple of seconds, but this is how it really looks. And it looks like this is the right side. See that? Nicely sits. And then same thing on the left side. There you go. Now it sits. You can close it. And now it will show that it is charging. So there's a little part for it. But once you hook it up to the charger, we will show you now. You can hook it up, and now it is going to start charging. As you can see, it is blinking. That means this is accepting the charge, which is really cool. And then you can leave it alone. So now in order to wear this, make sure that you have the bigger one outside and the smaller one inside to make this work, because once you tap, it should be in the back, not in the front. And this one, I have put it backward, so I have to take it out, hook it up properly. As you can see, it went in a lot easier. And in this way, you're going to be able to listen and hear faster and easier in order to process this. So this is how this part has been done. Now one more time to demonstrate, make sure that the small one goes inside, and the touchpad is at the back of your ear because you need to tap it. So if it's inside, it's going to be very hard to process. Now same thing goes on the other side. You have to make sure that the small one is inside. As you can see, it's really nice and tight, so it's not going to fall. And then the big one is in the back. And that one right now is flashing, so we want to pair our earbuds with the phone. So now in order to pair it, we have to make sure that we scroll down, go to Bluetooth, scroll up, and then it should show you your name of the Bluetooth headphones, which we have it right over here, and it shows it. So we're going to select it. It will tell you to pair, so we will select pair, and then it will tell you that it is paired. So if we go, it says 90%, as you can see. If we go to the wheel, it will give you the name properly. Then it also tells you that it accepts calls and audio. Now if we go in the bottom part of it, just like always, rename, disconnect, and also unpairs there so we can process. Now enough said, let's go next and test it out. Now as you can see, I'm playing one of our videos, and if I have to grab the right side and I have to tap it twice, it stops the video, and if I have to tap it twice again, it plays it. So that's how easy it is to process in order to pause and play. And how fast that is to process is something really enjoyable. Now if I have to tap it 3 times, it just skips the video, which is really cool in order to process. Now this is really cool because we can tap and it will pause, and also if we tap it again, it plays it. I really like that this part do work. Now we're going to take it another level, and we're going to start recording something to see if it really works or it doesn't. So for this part of the video, we need to go to our App Store, and then we need to look for Truefree app, which it is indicated right now. And then you have to tap on it, and then it will find it for you. Then you have to click on install, which is a free thing. You do not have to put any information in for your credit card or anything. And then you just have to click on install. I just processed mine, and I will say open. So again, this is the first part that we are just going to hook this up. And this is the screen that we're going to get. And then once it's done, we're going to say to enter the app for the very first time, agree and continue, and then you do have to make an account. So once you're registered, it would automatically know that wait, you're connected with these type of headphones or earbuds. Then you have to click on connection, allow, and now it's going to connect, and done. So now it will tell you everything that you need to know, that how many % of charge each one have. And then you can say to disable the touchpad. Now this is really good if you're falling asleep and you need to play with it. So that way when you are falling asleep, it's in your ear, it will still play because you're going to disable that part. And also if you're playing video game, this is really good. Even if you're connecting this to your computer, this will really help you out. Another part is the custom touch. So that way you can make these other functions for you when you're connecting this to your headphones and you're going to play with it. So there's more functions that is going to be here, so you can play more, as I'm going to show you on the top part. There you go. And in this way, you know exactly how it is possible to play with. Now, if I have to scroll down a little bit, you can see that it says preset, customize, and adaptive. Using this, now there is a settings icon that you can go through and you can check more. If there's an update, you can get that too. But more about your profile, you can set that up too. It's really good that you do have an app on phones that does not really function that good using these type of earbuds. Now you have a customized app that you can play with your earbuds. So in this part of the video, I am going to record my voice with this earbuds itself. I take it off, as you can see, and now I'm going to test it to see exactly how good it will sound when you're on the call. So that way, right now the sound is recorded through this camera, and then it will change to the actual earbuds. There's going to be a little indentation here that will tell you exactly what's happening. So we will start now. And this sound is really taken from the earbuds itself. So when you are in a hall, and this is how it really sounds. Now you do have some background noise. I do not know how good it disables it, but you can tell because you're listening to it through this camera itself, and now it is perfectly done. So now if I have to go and pause the video, you can tell that the sound will switch from this and it will be coming from here. Now do not want to forget that this unit do not have a voice leakage, and it has a gaming mode which will make the latency go to almost nothing. Again, we have played with it. I really like and enjoy playing with this. And I do not want to forget, all the links are going to be available where you can order it from, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.